You are going to love the 2022 KONA. The Hyundai KONA provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, cargo net, carpeted floor mats, manual climate control, roof rails, cargo tray. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.